Good evening, sir.
Yes, Chris, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Did you write yesterday's first question?
Yes, sir.
So we'll continue with the exercise, the second question. Okay. Practice at 3.1. Question number 2. Write the coefficient of m cube. Write the coefficient of m cube in each of the given polynomial. You just have to pick up what is the coefficient of m cube. Now, in this first one, it is just m cube. There is no number in front of m cube. So what will be the coefficient?
0.
What?
1, 1, 1.
1. So the coefficient will be 1. Second one. So minus 3 upon 2 plus m minus root 3 m cube. What is the coefficient in this case?
1. No, root 3.
Yes, root 3. Okay, we are not one thing, we are finding a coefficient of m cube. Okay, so it is root 3. Third one. Minus 2 upon 3 m cube minus 5m square plus 7m minus 1. What is the coefficient in this case?
Minus 2 upon 3.
Minus 2 upon 3. Now note one thing, that this is a very good example. Now all three are polynomials. Okay, all three are polynomials. And if you see the second example, the coefficient of m cube is an irrational number. So as I said, coefficient can be irrational. And the coefficient in the third case is a negative integer or a fraction, a negative fraction. Okay, a negative fraction. So coefficient can be a negative fraction or integer or an irrational number. But the power of the variable cannot be these things. Okay, clear? Write it down. Write down this.
Done, sir.
Third one. Write the polynomial in X using the given information. Okay. You have to write a polynomial in X with the information that is given to you. First is monomial with degree 7. Okay, so you have to give an example of a monomial and the degree of that monomial should be 7. Can you think of any such example? It has to be a monomial, but degree of that monomial should be 7.
And degree is power, right, sir? The
Yes,
highest power.
yes, power, correct.
2 power of 7.
2 and
7.
2
Power of 7.
power of 7.
And 7 power of 7.
2 raised to 7, you mean this? You mean
Yeah,
this?
yeah.
But something is missing here. Something is missing. What do you mean by degree? The power of, highest power of?
Polynomial.
But,
Equation.
but that power should be to what? It has to be to the something of the polynomial. Variable. Correct? To find out the degree, you look at the variable power. Yeah. Power of the variable, not of the number. So now can you think of something that is missing in this?
Yes. 2m raised to 7.
Yeah, correct. 2m raised to 7 or just m raised to 7 is also fine, but this is also correct. So this is a very good example of a monomial, just one term, and the power of this monomial or the highest degree of this monomial is 7. Let's see second one. Binomial with degree 35. Binomial with degree 35. Can you think about this now? Binomial means, what do you mean by binomial? Two terms.
Variables.
Correct. Two terms. And now we are saying that the degree should be 35.
It would be 3x 35
3x raised to 35
plus 2.
Okay, good. This is also a good example. Let's see the third one. Trinomial with degree 8. Okay, trinomial with degree 8.
Seven raised to the power of 8. 7m raised to the power of 8.
N or x, what he said?
M
to the power 8.
Plus 3m raised at 3m square plus 2.
Correct. This is also a very good example for a trinomial. Okay, now I want you to write it down. Write it down. Yeah, by the way, yeah, I got your message. You got your marks for algebra and geometry. Geometry, where you lost marks, any idea? Do you remember where you could have, which question could have?
They have given us assignments, so I will share the screen and show you.
You have it?
Yes, I have done it.
Okay, write down this, then also you will share the screen and you'll show it to me.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Write down this, then I will make you the host.
Done, sir. Done.
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah, you can share the screen.
1 second, sir. Hello. So I'm sharing soon. You can see, right, sir?
Yes, I can see. Yeah. Show me the one where you are drawn. This is geometry, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. If M is a midpoint of segment PQ and if PM is 7.5, then find PQ. M is the midpoint of segment PQ. Okay, so what will you do here? M
It
is,
should be 7.5, right, sir? Because it's
No.
a midpoint, sir.
wait, 1 minute. Huh? So what is done here is, so this is P and this is Q. M is the midpoint of this segment. PM is 7.5. They are asking you to find out PQ. Understood? Can you see the diagram that I did in this on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Understood the diagram? Now can you tell me?
Yes.
Now can you tell me what will be PQ? So yeah, double of 7.5, which is 15. It's okay, the small mistake. It's fine. Next, which you got wrong. What they have told you to rewrite solve the questions again as an assignment.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, find the distance between point A and B if coordinate of A is x plus 5 and coordinate of B is x minus 7. Okay, how will you do this? You have to find distance AB. Yes, what do you do to find distance between 2 points? You subtract.
Number of A.
No.
Oh, yeah, that's the other.
B minus A you do, correct? Coordinate of B minus coordinate of A, right? So what is coordinate of B? Coordinate of B is x minus 7 and coordinate of A is x plus 5.
X plus 5.
So open up the bracket, x minus 7 minus x minus 5, correct? So what will get cancelled? Can you tell me?
X.
Plus x minus x cancel. Now, minus 7 minus 5 is? How much? Huh?
Minus 7 minus 7. It should be 12. Sir.
It should be 12. You sure?
It should be minus 12.
Yes, it should be minus 12. But minus 12 is there, right, in the correct option? See?
Yes.
Got your mistake?
Yes.
Okay. So next, which is the third one?
Only 2 mistakes, sir.
But you got
This
7.
one. Yeah, sir. They were like a 10 of normal 1 mark questions and 5 of 2 mark questions.
So you got 1 2-mark question wrong, 1 1-mark question wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Show me algebra.
This one piece of paper gives you some.
So I got this one wrong. So discard this one. The algebra.
Third one you're saying
Yeah.
is wrong. But how you came to know it's wrong? They have not showed anything.
So we asked our maths professor to review it and tell us where we went wrong. So did that.
Okay. So here they have said A is a subset of B. Correct? Now A is a subset of B. Can you tell me which is a bigger set and which is a smaller set? A is
B
A big?
is a bigger set.
Yes, B is a bigger set and A is the smaller set. So, firstly, what will be A union B? Now now note one thing, A is inside B. Okay, that means if this is A and this is B. Now A is inside B. So what will be A union B? This entire thing, correct?
B.
Yes, so A union B will be B itself. Okay, now you have to now take A intersection with A union B. Now A union B, you know, is B itself. Yes, can you see the writing?
Yes, sir.
So what is this equal to? A intersection B now. Okay, now from A and look at the same diagram. This is A and this is B. Now, what do you mean by intersection? Intersection means common in both. Now, from the diagram, can you tell me which part is common? Can you see just this part is common
A.
for both?
Yes.
A. So this will be just A. So the option is first one, A. Understood?
So, but it's A intersection A union.
What? A?
If the question is A intersection bracket A union.
Yeah, correct. No? A intersection bracket A union B. A union B is nothing but B. So this is a question here. See, A intersection A union B. This A as it is, and A union B is B.
So
we
sir,
have,
A union B shouldn't it be B?
yes. Yes. In place of A union B, we replaced it with B. So it became A intersection B. Now we know A is smaller and B is bigger, and in the intersection we have just A. So A intersection B is A. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that was it in this. Fine, good. This was anyways a little bit tough, but okay, good, you did it. Fine, we'll continue with sure. Question number 4. Write the degree of the given polynomial. Okay. So let's see. We'll write the degree of all of these given polynomials. First one. First one is a root of 5. Root of 5. What is the degree of this polynomial? Note one thing, there is no variable. Whenever you find degree, you have to look at the power of the variable. Can you see any variable here? Can you see any variable? What? No, that means variable is absent. So what do you do when variable is absent?
You add a variable.
X raised to X.
1/5.
No.
No.
Don't look at this. This is just a coefficient. This is just a number, constant number. It's like this. Suppose if I write a polynomial like this, 2x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 plus 2x square plus 5. So this is this constant here. So what variable is there? What variable is it? No. No. Variable. And the power of that variable, how it is?
X1.
X raised to?
But X raised to?
No, not 1.
0.
Yes, X raised to 0. Correct, X raised to 0. See, it goes like this. Suppose 2x square plus 4x plus 5. Suppose if it is like this. So that means if you see the power of the variable x is decreasing, x raised to 4, 3, 2, 1. And last where you see no variable, that is 0. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So here we just have the last constant term. So what will be the degree?
It would be x0, 5x0.
No, not x0, just 0. Degree is the
So
highest power.
we don't add a variable.
No, it is understood.
Oh,
It is understood, but I am asking the degree.
okay, sir.
So the degree is
A 0.
0. Correct. 0. Second one. Second one, if you see, it is just x raised to 0, and clearly you can tell me the degree here.
0.
0. What is the degree in the third one?
10. 10, sir.
Third one, this third one.
Oh. 2.
2. Third one is, fourth one is 10. Fifth one, this fifth one.
Zero, sir.
Oh no, there is a variable here.
Oh. 1.
1. Sixth one, degree.
5.
Now, seventh one is little bit different. We had done this. How will I find? It is x, y,
I know
z
this fine.
plus x, y minus z. You remember?
So XY, Z represent numbers, right, sir?
No. All three are variables. All three are variables.
Oh.
What is power of x?
1.
What is power of y?
1.
What is power of z?
1.
1. So combined power will be
3.
3. Similarly, for this it is 1. For this also
1.
it is 1.
1.
Combined power will be 2.
2.
Now you can tell me what will be the degree of this.
3.
3. The degree is 3. Correct. And then the last one. Last one, you can do it orally also. So eighth one. What is the degree of this?
10, sir. 10.
10. Correct. Now this one, you know how, I'll just show you how to write it. So here we'll write power of x. We'll write for the first term. For the first term, power of x is 1. Power of y is 1. And power of z is also 1. And then combined power of the first term is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. Therefore, degree is equal to 3. Is this clear? Just a way of writing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want you to write all 1 to 7. What has started in school?
Started triangles to do.
Triangles. Geometry started.
Geometry.
Algebra, nothing.
So we have on Fridays we have geometry and on Tuesdays we have algebra.
Okay, fine. Your mom told me you are learning coding and that many things like Java. And
Yes,
one thing I'll tell you that if your maths is thorough, your basics is thorough, especially something like what you're studying right now, sets, polynomials, basic geometry, you will go long way in coding. So try to make your base in maths strong. It will definitely help you in learning advanced. Okay.
So I have to write the eighth one also, right, sir?
Which one?
Eighth one.
Yes. Yes.
Done, sir.
Yes. On the basis of your
Okay.
experience,
Fifth one. Classify the polynomials in linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial. So what is linear polynomial? When will a polynomial be linear?
When it has only 1 degree.
Yeah, when the degree is 1. And quadratic
When the degree is 2.
and cubic.
When the degree is 2.
Correct. So we have to do classification of these. Let's classify. Quadratic and cubic. Okay. We classify it like this: linear, quadratic, cubic. Okay, first one. Where to put this? What it is? Is it linear? Is it quadratic? Or is it cubic?
Quadratic.
Quadratic. So this will come here. Second one, 5p.
Linear.
Linear. So this I'll put it here. Then root 2 y minus 1 upon 2. Look at the power of the variable. Don't look at the coefficients.
Linear.
Linear. So this will come here. Fourth one. What? Where to put this?
Cubic.
cubic. So this will come here. Then this one. Where will this come? Linear,
Quadratic.
quadratic. So it will come here. And last is 3r cube. This will be quadratic.
Cubic.
Cubic. Okay. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you get it? Now write it down.
Done, sir.
Fine. Now question number 6. Write the following polynomial in standard form. Now, do you remember what is standard form? Standard form here. You can look at the screen. It's if the power of the variables are in descending order, that will be standard form. So let's, now since you have recollected what standard form is, let's do first one. M cube plus 3 plus 5m. So standard form, can you tell me? First,
M cube plus 5m plus 3.
plus 3. Good. Now, do the second one. Write it in your book and then do write a question, write the first one, write a answer of the first one, and then do the second one. And after that, tell me what is your answer.
So I got the answer. Y raised to the power of 5 plus 2y raised to the power of 4 plus 3y raised to the y cube minus y square minus 7y minus 1 upon 2.
Correct. Okay, seventh one. Write the following in coefficient form. So do you remember coefficient form? Coefficient form is this.
Yes, yes.
So you just write out the coefficient. If there is missing degree, okay, if there is missing degree in descending order, then what will be coefficient of that degree? Missing power, sorry. If there is a missing power, then what will be the coefficient of that missing power?
Zero.
Zero, correct, zero. So let's do the very first question itself. The first one is x cube minus 2. So that means you will have powers of 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, powers. Okay, these are not coefficients, these are powers. Can you tell me what will be the coefficient form of this? First, start with the highest
0,
one. No, start with the
2,
highest one.
2,
No. Start with the highest power. That is, first start with x raised to 3. What is the coefficient of x cube?
0.
X cube. Coefficient.
So it should be 0.
No, coefficient. X cube is present. X square is not present.
Oh. So will it be x then?
Will it be?
X.
No. I'm asking coefficient. What is the coefficient of x cube? What do you mean by coefficient?
A number which accompanies a
Yes.
variable.
Yes. So the variable x cube, which number is there in front of it?
0.
No. 0
1.
is, yes, it is 1. When will it be 0? It will be 0 if that variable is not there only. Like for example, x square is not there in this. Correct? X square term is not there. Then the coefficient of x square will be 0. But x cube term is there. You can see it is written.
Then sir, could you give me an example of x square like that?
Okay, fine. Okay, better to understand this is what we'll do is first we'll write this in index form. First write it in index form. So if you see index form of this will be first x cube. After x cube, what is missing? Which power is missing? All the powers less than 3 should be present. So which power is missing?
0x square.
Yes, 0x square plus 0. What should
0x.
be? Yes. Then minus
2.
Minus 2. So if you see this term, that is the x square term, and this term, that is the x term, is not present here. It was not present here. That is why the coefficients are 0. Understood this? But x cube term is present here. It is there, but you cannot see any number in front of it. So when you cannot see any number in front of it, you should understand that it is 1.
So 1 second.
Yeah.
So if instead of x cube there was x square, then would it be 1x square?
If it would be like this, x square minus 2, like this. You mean this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then what?
Then would it be 1?
What one? Coefficient of x square?
Coefficient.
Of x square. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It would be 1.
Oh, okay.
Yes. because it is present.
Yes.
So now can you tell me what will be the coefficient form of this?
1, 2.
Everything, till everything. Coefficient of x cube.
Oh, 1, 0, 0, 2. -2.
Minus 2. This is the coefficient form. Understood?
Yes.
Write it down.
Coefficient form we have to turn them in index form, right, sir?
And there is no need actually to write the index form, but to understand it, it's better if you first write it in the index form and then write the coefficients of it. But this is very, very important point. You should not forget this. If the coefficient, if the power of if the variable is present, but you cannot see any number with it, you should understand that the number is 1. But if the variable is absent only, then you should understand the coefficient should be 0. Is this fine? I hope no confusions now.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
So for this one, tell me the coefficient form.
Five. No, no, no.
5 is correct. And after that, anything else? Highest is 1, degree of this is 1, and that has y. There is nothing else present. But one thing is missing, the coefficient term. So you can put 5 comma 0. Understood?
Oh, okay, sir.
The constant term is missing, right? So we can write 5 comma 0. Is
Okay,
this
sir.
clear? Oh. Write it down.
So if they ask us to find coefficient, we have to write it like index form, right? Except we have to find the coefficient also.
Actually, there is no need to find the index form, but it will be better if you find index form and then write the coefficients. It'll be easier. If you can do it directly without doing it in the index form, well and good. If you cannot, you do it in the index form and then write the coefficient form. No harm in that. Done with this? Okay.
Done, sir.
Now third one you have to do. Tell me the coefficient form of this. If you're getting confused, write the index form first.
So it would be 2, 0, 3, 0, 7.
Is this right? This one?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? Look at this.
3 and 7. I think so.
What is the sign?
Minus.
Minus 3. Signs are very, very important. So it will be minus 3.
Done, sir.
And the last one. Minus 2 upon 3. This is easy. There is just a constant term.
So it will be minus 2 upon 3.
Yes, just minus 2 upon 3. That's it.
Done, sir.
Okay. Question number 8. Can you do it for homework? Write the polynomial in index form. Coefficients are given. Coefficients are given. You have to write it in the index form. So first one, if you see it is 1, 2, 3. So can you tell me how to go about doing it?
1 cube, 1 m cube, 2 m square.
Plus or minus?
3. Plus what, sir?
Should I put plus 2m square or should I put minus 2m square?
Plus.
Plus. And the last one?
Plus 2.
Plus 3m or just 3?
3m.
3m. Correct. So this is the first one. So second and third, I'm sure you'll be able to do it.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So we'll stop here. Fine. See you now. Today's Friday, no, Tuesday.
Bye, sir.
Do you have a next Thursday? Just find out on Thursday next week. Do you have a holiday or not?
I have a holiday on Thursday, sir. I always have holiday.
Always you have holiday on Thursday?
Yeah,
okay.
we don't have holiday on Saturday.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Bye, sir.
Bye.